Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so Aston Villa don't send warning to Arsenal as them beat Man City 1-0. Now when you check that yesterday match, where Aston Villa play, in fact, before they play, I don't already tell everybody, say that match is going to be somehow difficult for Man City because that place is a fortress. Aston Villa don't win their last 13 home games in a row. You get so then they high up there like they did para. If you see that starting lineup, like the way Unai Emery take assemble that squad, come carry Paul Torres from La Liga, come for the defense, get plus Konsa, we did there, and Diego Carlos. Those guys are playing fantastically well. In fact, as I see that lineup, people you retain them as the crisis, they see playing time. You retain them as there for the midfield. Douglas Luiz there for the midfield. They play 4-4-2. Then Leon Bailey and Oli Watkins when they lead the attack. Those two guys caused a lot of problems for Man City. Man City no see their period. Although we need to concede, say Man City gets injury problems. In fact, for the last match they even played, they now had a knock to Jeremy Doku. So imagine the Man City without a Rodri, without a Grealish, without a Jeremy Doku. So they're currently forced to play Akanji and John Stones for the middle of for like the defensive midfield. They play 3-2-4-1. They're going to play two defensive midfielders. People will say it'll be their normal job already. You get. Then for the main forward they behind Eli Haaland, they can't get Rico Luis. Yeah, so when you can look at bench, it is so scanty. Like the way Aston Villa just slice them like bread, just they enter them anyhow. It was appalling. Like Leon Bailey scored the winning goal 70-something minutes in shots. If we check the statistics of the match, Man City had like 2 shots on goal, whereas Aston Villa 2 shots. Aston Villa they get like 20-something shots. Like Aston Villa really peppered them. They're supposed to destroy that Man City. And this buttresses my point when I tell you that Man City is actually weaker this season compared to last season. You know, imagine Man City's last 4 games. You're talking about 3 draws and 1 loss. If we check the table now, Arsenal they're 6 points ahead of Man City. They're about maybe 2 points or thereabout ahead of Liverpool. That's what it be. In fact, Man City don't drop to 4th, whereas Aston Villa don't climb up to 3rd. Man, you know how bad it is. Aston Villa they take 2 points to gap Man City. You see this league, now that the race starts, so people know they really pay attention to Liverpool. I think it is the high time for us to kind of focus on Liverpool. More to leave Man City, maybe they struggle by themselves. More focus on the people they are from, because this Man City never know how it will be. And this Liverpool never know how it will be. And Man City's woes, it never end though. They are going to the Kenilworth Stadium, the 11,500 capacity stadium, very small. So we'll see how they will fare for that place, because it will be very, very compact and choky. So we'll see how it will work for them there. Alright, away from that, so after the match, Pep Guardiola said, say Villa were better than us. We struggled. In fact, we struggled the way we play in the past. You get what's in Pep talk for that press conference will make me want to highlight. And Pep say the way we played against Newcastle, played against Tottenham Hotspur, played against Chelsea, if it was in the past, we would have won. Imagine that kind of statement to show you say what you do before. Like it got me like say people don't already understand the Man City system, or if you like, you can say this season people have strengthened. For that reason, it will be when Arteta they come outside before the season started to tell everybody that this season is going to be the strongest, like the toughest. People just say they can't play. This is what we are seeing in our before as everything that happens. So it is what it is. Well, we'll just watch out. This is still long ago, and see Arsenal on the 6 points ahead of Man City. A repetition of what happened last season. At some point, we are 7-8 points ahead of them with 1 game outstanding where they get over. This one no game outstanding with this 6 points ahead of them after 15 games or more. And at the same time, we come outside and say, we will win the league, we will win the league. All those talk when they talk, you know they punish. And at the same time, they come outside and say, we are struggling. I need to look for a way out. Well, it is what it is. Let's just keep unfolding things. Alright, so when your club self come and say Manchester United make people no rule them out, say man yourself day for the title race, the way him they see everything. So me I just say make I let you know what other managers they talk about, because time don't reach to say I'm gonna give you some kind snipers, get when like they abreast of the things where they happen around us. Get away from that. So remember I told you say Arteta is going to be missing the Aston Villa match. He will do for like the executive room, like the VIP box. at the end of the day. But I can't read the rules. You get some time when we say Arteta will be allowed into the dressing room. Make I explain them to you now. Before the match, Arteta is allowed to go to the Arsenal dressing room and address the players, talk to them, let them know how things they go. Then during halftime, he also they allowed to enter the dressing room, correct some things when they see and explain things to the players. Then after full time, he's also allowed to go into the dressing room and rejoice with the players or console them depending on what happens. Now Arteta has the opportunity, like when we play Man City that last time, we almost beat them, but Magalhaes can't get some rush of blood to him brain. We can't do some kind of things, they say they can't beat us that one. So remember, say Arteta no dey for the stadium. I think he had COVID then. I don't want to forget what happened. I know he wasn't in the ground. So this time around, he will be watching it like a spectator. Again, like us, probably watching it from the TV. So at least we'll get a different perspective on how the games be. Now, the second in command, Albert Stevenberg, so now he will be in charge, is also a brainy man, the guy, or Logban, the guy good. Then apart from him, there's also Carlos Cuesta, aka AirPod. Why do they call that AirPod? Because if Arteta know the day for this kind of things, like during that Man City, they always wear AirPod. Arteta the day in communication with them 247. Because Arteta they see things, so they have Arteta they tell him, he will tell Albert Stevenberg. That is why they call him AirPod. So this time around, I expect him to be very, very busy. So he will be in communication with Arteta with technology like 247. They will load credits so that during the duration of the game, like 100 minutes, they will talk. So we will follow Arteta, they discuss. The Arteta will give them direction. So our prayer is say make Arteta's absence no really affect us for the Villa Park, because the way I see it, it is only Arsenal that have the key to that park. When we go there, we unlock it, do what we want to do, and close it back for other people to come and see how the place is. Because Aston Villa don't get 14 winning streak now. They don't add Man City to their people they butcher. 14 games now. We now will be their 15th, and then they will be buoyed up, they will be fired up to play against us. And our defense, they usually struggle against the likes of Ole Watkins and Leon Bailey because they are not that big and bulky. They're very, very small and pacey. But we'll just see everything will go with the emergence of Declan Rice. In fact, for that match, I see Arteta even using maybe a double pivot system, using the two defensive midfielders, Jorginho and Rice, stay from front of the back four, just stay there. Then, in fact, that match will be very, very soon because Aston Villa no go come dey play 10 men behind the ball. At home, Villa Park, they don't play gang up. Now end-to-end stuff, attack me, anybody will win, make him win. So they have never met people like us. We are not Man City. We are not every other person. We are different. So on that day, now Saturday, no foul. So Saturday we'll show them who we are, why we are top of the league. When I no fear. Alright, so away from that, Ian Wright can come and say it is a shame that Arsenal will missing Tomiyasu with the way things they go. Say the guy don't get injury, and from what they hear 4 to 6 weeks. And Mr. I don't talk before say it is somehow sad because the ball don't they bear, don't they give assist. Come on, they play fantastically well. They give the right balance to defense and attack. Call the bench Ben White, but all of a sudden, well, it is what it is, Sha. Alright, so Thierry Henry come and say I can't respond to everybody they talk about David Raya. Say Raya no good, but they bring Ramsey, Eric Carter say he won't do them, he won't play devil's advocate. Say we always talk when they bring Ramsey. Isn't it not the same Ramsey we watch for Brentford? We give out a lot of balls, committed a lot of errors. The difference between Ramsdale and Raya, and the fact that Ramsdale Declan Rice save him. Some people save him. If not, those errors could have cost a goal. Ramsdale is not in the right frame of mind. He's panicking at the moment. Are you now saying we should carry the keys to the kingdom and give Ramsdale with the way he played against Brentford? Is that what people are saying? And what Henry they ask. In fact, I can arguably say the two goalkeepers, none of them maybe they deserve to the start with the way they play. But on current form, Raya is a bit stable. Ramsdale is shaky. Let's call a spade, irrespective of your affiliations to the player. Now our player then beat. So look at things objectively. Nobody looks at it because I like this one. No. On current standing now, Ramsdale is not in the right place. Maybe people know they give me a excuse say I don't the bench for long. Go and look at Liverpool goalkeeper Kelleher yesterday. The guy made some saves. When was the last time he played the PL game for Liverpool? Now I'm saying why they tell people now, go and look at Ortega of Man City. When was the last time he played? But anytime when they bring him, he go come inside, go perform fantastically well. So this thing now mindset, now personality, if you never play 1 million games, don't miss anytime you come you can't panic. No, that's not how things are done. So maybe people know they use that excuse say, in the match rusty. Kelleher know the match rusty. How many games they play past season? But he deputized for Alisson yesterday fantastically well, made saves, kept them in the game. Not many chances Sheffield United get for first half. So all those excuses, I bet gonna bundle and throw him inside bush. You get, so this thing na mindset get, so everybody needs to calm down. That is what Henry said. We are all calling Ramsey. The Ramsey goal is his head in the right place. Alright, so Shaka for ESPN, they call they analyze how the league will be. So they got to talk say Arsenal, like Shaka they talk say Arsenal is playing their best football so far in the league, because they call they check the table, say okay, Arsenal they first, so they got Man City with 6 points. Can Man City still win the league? They say in fact as of now Arsenal are now the favourites. But this way Shaka don't understand me, say we have not even started playing our best football. You cannot compare after 15 games the way we have played this season to the way we played last season. No, you cannot compare that. We never reach our peak milk. We never play like we never reach the top capacity where people know so we able to do. If you check where they play, we grind out results. That is the difference between we and Man City. Look at the match against Luton Town. Look at the match against Chelsea. Look at the match against Brentford. Look at the match against Man City. See how we grinded out results, scoring winners, late equalizers. That is the difference between we and others this season. So now, so it just be. Look at the way Man City played against Aston Villa. If it was Arsenal now, we go play badly and still ensure say we collect a draw at least. Not say we just capitulate like a pack of cards. So that is the major difference. So I tend to disagree with the notion that Arsenal is playing fantastic. No, we are not actually doing that this season. Alright, so after the match we'll play against Luton Town, Ivan Toney can't come outside, can't they post Declan Rice. What a game, you get. So when people want to add 1 + 1 equals to 2, say, let's say this guy they give Arsenal hint to maybe one join Arsenal, you know, why not Arsenal? But why they also run delete the post before they call the talk say it no be Brentford player again. So well, you know, stop those way they speculate to speculate. Say the guy really likes Arsenal and he just watch out, because obviously he's letting us know he's watching our games. Like, come on, for us to win 4-3, it was the fluke now. It was so much hard work and determination. So that's what it be. Alright, Darren Bent also come outside call it say I never knew Declan Rice was so fast. Like in the watch that Luton Town game, the way the guy they use space, they outmuzzle, outrun, like the way they defend, they cover areas. Come on, say no, say the guy did that fast. So say the guy no say Bent now fan. Say the guy they play fantastically well, is doing so well for. This one nobody will argue him again now. Rise over. After 15 games, I can tell you say the guy don't pay back him money with the for Arsenal fans, we will open a GoFundMe page to contribute £25 million. Say the one will pay West Ham, say we don't pay una enough. That 105 and 106 wasn't enough. Make una take this extra, make una manager. Don't be child now. Today is the birthday of one of our committee members, daughter, what they call Ajibola Oluwanifemi Juana. Okay, so she's the daughter of Mr. Ajibola, so we say my lines fall in place for you. I wish you all the best things life has to offer. Enjoy your day and have a blast. Alright, so Jamie O'Hara come outside to say Arsenal can never win the league with Raya. Fine, I know disagree with what they talk. Now the question now becomes, can we win the league with Ramsdale? Because the thing is, Ramsdale, Raya, they are in the same kettle of fish. Okay, so in anything where they talk about Raya, the same thing that they do Ramsdale. They both make errors. The difference between Ramsdale is that there are people who are saving him from those errors turning into goals, and Raya has not been that lucky. You get, look at the one wey happen against Luton Town. Those 2 errors, it caused goal. Not be saying a direct error, but na judgment. His judgment, they on par on that night. He also made some saves that day, but those errors, Ramsdale now because of the saves when they make all the forgiving errors. But to say errors, imagine that goal line clearance with Declan Rice. Imagine say he enter. You think people be happy with Ramsdale, but because enter, people just forgive him, and he's shaky. You get, Ramsdale is good, but now he's a shadow of himself. So that's just the thing. I keep telling you, like what Henry they talk. In as much as you all love Ramsdale, don't forget that he makes errors. He's shaky. As of now, 2 of them, Raya and Ramsdale. Ramsdale is more shaky than Raya. Raya not shake again like before. Now they panic again now. So that's the major issue. Well, Arteta will decide how you want to solve this problem moving forward. So the 2 of them gone, none of them, they will just manage them. Now our defense just they cover their blushes. So by that, Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.